Hello everyone, myself Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you all to the video lecture series on shell programming. So we are learning about different types of commands that we have. In today's lecture, let us see about this MV command and CP command. So first we'll see about this MV command. Okay, so keep hearing all of you, MV command. So all small letters. Now what is the use of this MV command is, this command is used to rename a file or a folder. So mainly it is used to rename a file or a folder. Folder is nothing but a directory. Okay, now how to do this one? How can we rename a file or a directory? The syntax for this one is, you need to use a command called MV, and you have some options which can be used with this one, options which are optional. Okay, and then you need to write source and then you need to write destination. So this is the syntax. So source represents with whose name you want to rename with the destination. So whenever you are saying source to destination, understand here it will be removed from here and it will be moved to this destination. So normally we can say it is as a renaming, or you can also say it is like moving the group of files. Moving a group of files or a particular file to a different directory. You need to understand here, if you are moving means it will be removed from the source and it will be copied or it will be pasted into the destination. That means a new space will not be consumed. Only once it has been created, that space only will be consumed. There will not be no additional space will be consumed. That is main important point. You need to all of you make a note of that one. What is this? Whenever you are renaming or whenever you are moving, no additional space is consumed. Okay, and also it will not ask for your confirmation also. It will simply simply do the renaming, that one. It will not prompt for your confirmation. That is also an important point. No prompt for confirmation. So whenever you are doing this one, be more careful whenever you are renaming the files or whenever you are moving the files from one location to the another location. Be more careful whenever you are using the MV command, because it will not ask you for any confirmation. It will simply do that one. Okay, so let us see one important point here. Suppose if the destination is existing or not existing, if such the case, destination, this is one important point, exists or not exists. Suppose if the source file you want to rename with the destination, let us consider. In such a case, if it exists, what happens? It will override that one. You will not be informed about that. It will be overwritten. Suppose if it is not existing, in that case what happens? A new one will be created. So that's why I am repeatedly telling, whenever you are using this one, you need to be more careful whenever you are using MV command. Why? Because if it exists, it will be overwritten. That is what the data that is already existing, that will be clearly deleted. So or else it creates the new one, right? So let us see how it will be working. One simple example I will show you. Let us open our terminal. Okay, now before that what I'll do, I'll move to my one folder. Is it there or not? Let me check. Yeah, it is there. Okay, I am in this path. Okay, in this folder A, what are all the things, what are all the files available? Let me show you. 3, 4, 5. Again in that I have A1, A2, 2 more directories, doc2, doc3, all these are some files available. Now let us consider I want to move 3 is a directory. Did you see? 3 is a directory. I want to move 4, or else 4 to 5. Let us 4 to 6. 6 is not there. I'll write. What happens, we'll see. Did you see? 4 is renamed with the 6. Did you see? That is what the use of this one. That is what it is reflected here. It is used to rename a file or a directory. How it can be renamed? It can be renamed simply by writing the source name whatever you want to write, or else you can write down the new name whatever you want to give. Did you see? The 4 has been renamed to 6. I hope you all are clear now how the renaming can be done. Okay, now let us see what are all the options we have for this one. See here, did it ask for the confirmation? No, it did not ask you for the confirmation. Okay, but I'll show you one simple example. Let me see what all the contents are there in the 4. Oh, cat 4 is not there. Cat 6. No contents are there. Let me write something into cat 6. Okay. Okay, control D. Now I'll see cat 6. These are all the contents available. Is there any file available with 4 here? No, no file is available with 4, right? So what I need to do? I want to rename that one. MV6 I want to rename with 4. Okay, that is done. Now you see 4 is there. If you see cat 4, the contents are same. Whatever earlier was there in 6, that is there here. Now I want to have some contents in cat 5 also. Okay, follow carefully. Check this. This is the information that I want to have in. So cat 5 is having this information, cat 4 is having this information. Now if I overwrite, if I rename 4 with 5, 5 is already existing. Okay, then what happens? Let us see. Did you see? Cat 4, sorry, what I have done, I have to use MV 4 5. Then you see what are all the contents. Let us see LS. 4 is renamed with 5. Let us see what all the contents are there in 5. Did you see hello all? Even though in 5 you have written check this, that has been overwritten with hello all. Did you see? So that is the problem with this one. It will not give you, it will not prompt us for any confirmation. If it is not existing, new one will be created. If it is existing, it will simply overwrite the things. I hope you are understanding. Okay, cat 5 is existing already, so that's why it has overwritten the contents. Earlier it is check this, but it is overwritten with the contents of hello. I hope you all are understanding. So let us see what all the options we have here. Okay, note down the options. The first option is, suppose if you want to have a confirmation. You want to have a confirmation, and as per the confirmation you want to proceed. Then you need to go with the -i. What is that one? -i is for confirmation. Confirmation for renaming. So let us see that. MV-i. Okay. Okay. Before that, let me see what are all the things I have. Yeah. MV. Okay. -i. I want to rename 5 with 1. 1 is not there. Okay. Then it is. Why it is not asking for confirmation? Oh, it is simply renamed, but it will be asking you for confirmation, no? Okay, let us see existing one. Okay, MV-i 1 I want to dock. Did you see? If it is existing, then it is asking us for overwrite. So -i is allowing us to give us a prompt message if in the case it is already existing. That is what. Okay. So if you give n, it will not be overwritten. You can see already 1 is there. But if you want to overwrite and if you give yes, then what happens? Let us see. Did you see 1 is overwritten with the doc? The complete existing overwritten. The doc command, the document has been overwritten with the one file data. So that is what you need to understand here. Confirmation in case of existing file. Okay. Second option. Second option is -n. It is nothing but no cobbler. No cobbler is nothing but no. it is nothing but it will prevent an existing file from one being overwritten. So if the existing file is available, no, it will be preventing that one from overwriting. It will not allow us to overwrite the existing file. That is what. Here it will allow us to overwrite where you can give the confirmation. If you give yes, it will be overwritten. But here in case of existing file, it will not allow us to overwrite. So prevents existing file from overwriting. I hope you all understanding. Okay, this will help ask us for confirmation. Earlier, if you are not asking any option, no, it will be overwritten automatically. But in case of -i, it will ask for the confirmation. In case of -n, it will never allow us to overwrite the existing file. Okay. Let us see the next option, -b. Third option is -b. Earlier case, when one file is renamed with another file, we are losing the source file. But here -b, we can create a backup file. So whenever you want to create, whenever you want to have a backup file, even if it is renamed with another name, then you can have this option of -b, where a backup file is created. Whenever it is creating a backup file, a tilde symbol is added in front of that name. Let me show you that. So this is, I want to overwrite doc with doc2. Okay, what I need to do, I want to overwrite doc with 1. Okay, mv -b, I want to overwrite doc with 1.txt. Okay, all right. Now I want to see ls. Okay, now the backup file may not be visible here. Let me show you here. I think we are in scripts, we are in A. There should be a backup file with the tilde symbol of doc. Why it is not created? Doc has been overwritten with 1.txt. Let me see the already existing file. Okay, our already existing file only overwritten, right? So doc2 is not there. It is there, no, doc2. Oh, doc is not there. Okay, I'll overwrite with this one with 1.txt. Can be overwritten with this. Now let us see ls. Did you see doc2 backup file is created? So you need to understand when my -b we are using, no, if you are overwriting with a already existing file, then its backup file is created. Okay, use it to create a backup file for existing files when in case of overwriting the things. Okay, one more option I want to tell you, -version. Now, what is the use of this -version is, use it to know the version of the mv command. That's it. What is the version name of this mv? This can be used for all the commands. With any command we can use mv -version. So its version is 8.30 like this. This can be used for any command only. This option can be used with any command. Okay, so this is about mv command. I hope you all are clear with this mv command. Okay, in the next video we'll see about this cp command. Okay, let us all meet in the next lecture. Do practice these commands, all of you. Until then, thank you all of you.